Good morning. My prayers. Guru Om Shri Tiruniliman Tunai, Om Shri Veerashanta Mahakali Tunai. Contents of genetic astrology. Number 1, rotation of planets. Number 2, planets, Janma star and their karma. Number 3, direction of 9 planets and degrees of 27 stars. Number 4, stars karma. Number 5, basic horoscope introduction, 5 elements philosophy explanation. Number 6, explanation of Kala Purusha as sign. Number 7, movable, immovable and dual house characteristics. Number 8, characteristics of planets. Number 9, method of Lagnam calculation. Number 11, method of D9 chart calculation. Number 12, planet retrograde first and second stage. Number 13, compassed planets character. Number 14, character of malefic lord. Number 15, 12 Lagnam predictions. Number 1, Aries Lagnam prediction. Number 2, Taurus Lagnam prediction. Number 3, Gemini. Number 4, Cancer. Number 5, Leo. Number 6, Virgo. Number 7, Libra. Number 8, Scorpio. Number 9, Sagittarius. Number 10, Capricorn. Number 11, Aquarius. Number 12, Pisces. Lagnam prediction. And then genetic astrology part 2 status horoscope method. Number 1, if the planet is in Pisces Lagnam Aries house. Number 2, if the planet is in Pisces Lagnam Taurus house. Number 3, if the planet is in Pisces Lagnam Gemini house. Number 4, 7, 10 and 10, 7 communication. Number 5, 5, 9 communication. Number 6, communication of 4, 12. Number 7, presence of planet in Pisces ascendant 5th house. Number 8, communication 1, 12. Number 9, the 6th house cannot be said to be completely malefic. Number 10, communication of 1, 7, 1, 12. Number 11, character of Virgo house. Number 12, if Jupiter is in 12th house. Number 13, if the 12th lord is in the 12th house. Number 14, communication of 9, 12. Number 15, if the 12th lord is in a different house. Number 16, 12th lord is an insurmountable sign. 12th lord is an insurmountable sign. Number 17, difference between 8th sign and 12th sign. Number 18, 12th lord sun karma. Number 19, 12th sign is the government guarded. Number 20, main quality of 12th character. Number 21, 9th lord details. Number 22, if the 12th lord is in the 4th sign. Number 23, fortune super fortune. Number 24, second marriage information. Number 25, marking is the preacher dancing. Number 26, a planet that indicates double marriage. Number 27, Budra dosham. Number 28, abnormal delivery. Number 29, those involved in Surya Sabam. Number 30, affected state of mind, psychological problem. Number 31, mental distraction from childhood. Number 32, Jalasabam number 1. Number 33 account of life guards Saturn for duty. Number 34 sudden accident theft character. Number 35 late marriage late vivaham. Number 34 unpredictable accident stealing character. Number 36 married life problem result is not good desperate marriage life. Number 37 details of property Samabaddu property details. Sambattu property details. Number 38 job career problem Udyogam. Number 39 pulse communication Nadi Parihar solutions. Number 40 when Jupiter is approached by another planet. 41 the secret of wisdom the search for wisdom. 42 when a malefic lord joins another malefic lord. Number 43 example horoscope view. 44 when ninth lord joins Mercury. When ninth lord sanjar with Mercury. 45 place of business. 46 general advice on the 10th sign. 47 if the ascendant lord is in the 10th malefic. 48 major accident minor accident. 49 if there is other malefic lord in Aries house. 50 damage to life loss of limb. 51 widow in youth. 52 details of the fourth sign. 53 example horoscope. 54 being dualistic to both. 55 people who are talented in singing. 56 transfer of karma. 57 details of property. 58 veterans of police department. 59 Mars karma sevva dosam. Number 60 property dispute joint property. Number 61 religion caste change marriage. 62 details of 6th house and Virgo. Details of 6th graha and Virgo. 63 horoscope of accidents due to water. 64 relevant information. 65 if the fourth sign is in the sixth sign. 66 sun dosham fourth malefic combination. 67 mercury cursed record marriage. 67 disturbance of poisonous animals. 69 illegal relationship before marriage. 70 if third malefic lord is in other malefic. 71 6 11 if both signs are joined together. 72 if Kedu is in the sixth malefic. 73 Chandran cursed in the sixth malefic. 74 health disorder due to Rahu karma. Sugavinam due to Rahu karma. 75 6 11 addition to health disorder. 76 uterine problem in woman. 77 mercury is the element that can tell cursed. 78 problems related to teeth ache. 79 which of the five senses becomes inactive. 80 physical disability the absence of a limb in the body, damage to limb. 81 inability to speak, thumb press. 82 problem related to ear. 83 kidney damage venous sabam register. 84 digestive baby. 85 loss of function below the pelvis. 86 accidental amputation of arm and leg. 87 husband wife pleasure and pain. 88 deceivers or venus cursed. 89 Selling property is the fourth sign. 90. Marriage alliance. 91. Marriage alliance C. Medical dowry. 92. Mars karma alliance search method. 93. Moon karma alliance search method. 94. Bank law money department alliance search method. 95. Rahu karma alliance search method. 96. 17 planet nature. 97. Saturn is now the 7th malefic character in Lagnam. Malevolent character in Lagnam. 98. In Jupiter is an Lagnam. 99. If Mercury is an Lagnam. 100. If Venus is an Lagnam. 101. Love marriage is the strongest connection. 2. Transfer of karma. 3. Connection 1712, 17 and 112. 4. Child karma 179 signful alliance. 5. 1711 late married and early marriage. 6. Music singing talent Sangeetha Jnanam. 7. Taurus Gemini Lagnam point in Catholic star. 8. Mercury cursed in the 7th sign offering Pava Parigar. 9. Water contingent water accident. 10. Sun karma father career. 11. Who can do father work. 12. Government service. 13. Government medical department. 14. Alliance for service in police. 15. Mars cursed place buying and selling house. 16. Engaging in the professions of writing literature. 17. Cancer ascendants Lagnam is a common problem. 18. Fourth sign, fourth lord, fourth house. 19. Addition of 4994. 20. Addition of 4774. 21. 4774 addition of Rahu. 22. 1710 connection of Rahu or Venus. 23. 10 11 karma secret Mars karma. 24. Mood steady should have Chandra karma. 25. Potential of Chandra karma. 26. Medical nervous system studies neuroscience. 27. Study of brain medicine, brain care medicines. 28. Persons in paramedical manufacturing company. 29. Coronal karmic correlation. 30. Study of clues. 31. Sudden accidents, suicide, death, planetary graha. 32. Accidents happens in some house during marriage. 33. Padasaram features. 34. Strength of karmic transfer. 35. Lifespan for the father. 36. Suicide and accidental death. 37. Two-wire system. 38. Mars karma marriage sign. 39. Karmic connection to join income tax job. 40. Sudden accident, those who commit suicide sufferer thereby. 41. Sports and martial arts coach. 42. Heart surgery. 43. Office relating to banking. 44. Paranormal communication. 45. Those engaged in sea finishing. 46. VAO karma correlation. 47. Marriage endowment full explanation conclusions. Thank you very much. That is DNA genetic astrology books coming soon. Thank you.